Well, it's just gone 2 o'clock in the morning, a little bit after, and I've just arrived here at the little stop. My guide for today is somewhere over there packing up one of these vans, and we're just about to head up with a few more of us. I assume will be coming. We're going to head up to the top of Mauna Kea, about 4,200 metres above sea level, and over 10 kilometres high above the sea floor upon which it stands. So this is actually the world's tallest mountain, and this is one I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to add this one to Kilimanjaro and Kinabalu and a few other mountains I've done as like the bucket list peaks I want to do. But unlike the other ones, which I had to walk up right from the bottom, this one we're actually getting driven up almost right to the very top. So this one's going to be a whole lot easier to do. But that being said, being up at 2 o'clock in the morning is quite a challenge. But that's part of what the joy of it. Because the best time to get on top of a mountain is at sunrise, and that's what we're planning to do today. Okay, the sun has just risen now, and being at very high altitude, over 4 kilometres above sea level, the air pressure is probably about 2/3 what it is at sea level. So I'm really puffing even though I'm walking slowly, and that's quite normal at this altitude. And if you look over here, you can see past these are all observatories. They put up here because the air is probably about the clearest of anywhere on the planet, and this is a really good. Obviously, you got your altitude. You're 4.2 kilometres up, and the sky is just so clear up here, and there's very little wind. And if you look past the towers, you can actually see the shadow of the mountain extending several hundred kilometres into the distance, and you can see other parts of the island there, and then further over that way you can see the island of Maui. And if it was a bit clearer down there, you'd probably be able to see some of the other islands. But it's absolutely spectacular up here, and huffing and puffing. You always get that at high altitude, and normally when you're climbing altitude, you above about 3,000 metres you just go gradually. But obviously we drove up, and it was pretty a very rapid ascent, and we did do an acclimatisation back a bit further down the mountain and did some stargazing. But it's pretty extreme up here, and it's really huffing and puffing. It reminds me of when I was on Kilimanjaro a few years ago, and that was a lot higher again at 5,900 metres. But here, because I've ascended so quickly, the breathing is probably nearly as difficult. So I'm going to look around a bit more and do a bit more photography, and then we're probably going to start heading down and exploring a bit more of the mountain, because we didn't see a lot going up. So hopefully I'll see you back down at sea level where the air will be a lot thicker, and the obviously the temperature a lot warmer. It's actually freezing here. Just a little bit of ice formed on the surface.